Please Google endometriosis. You need to know what this problem is all about. Yeah.
Why should they know?
Because you probably have it and you don't even know you have it.
Actually, she is right. But do you really know what endometriosis is? Let's talk about it. एंडोमेट्रियोसिस एक ऐसी कंडीशन है जिसमें आपके यूट्रस का टिश्यू यूट्रस में ग्रो न करके बाहर ग्रो करता है. बाहर मीन्स वेयर? Like in your ovaries, fallopian tubes, rectum, intestine, and sometimes in your urinary bladder. So how do you come to know that you have endometriosis? Sometimes patients do not have any symptoms, or sometimes they have mild symptoms which they attribute to other causes. These are called silent endometriosis. For example, someone with silent endometriosis might experience pain. Mild pain around their menses they might mistake for premenstrual syndrome. Pain during urination, which they might mistake for UTI, that is urinary tract infection. You might feel bloating in endometriosis, which you might mistake for acidity or irritable bowel syndrome. Last is lower back pain, which they might attribute to sciatica, muscle spasm or injury. The main sign of endometriosis from a fertility perspective is recurrent pregnancy loss or failed implantation. मतलब miscarriages हो रहे हैं बार बार या तो फिर बेबी बन ही नहीं रहा है. Also, there are other symptoms of endometriosis like heavy menses, bleeding or spotting in between the menses, diarrhea or constipation, and pain during intercourse. If you have any of these symptoms, please visit your gynecologist.